Hello everyone. Today I'm going to sing a song from a Bollywood movie produced in 1956. My commentator is Alfie, who teaches philosophy at St. Stephen's College. है दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान हा हा हो ही हा ऐ दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं ट्रामे कहीं मोटर कहीं मिलता है यह सब कुछ एक मिलता नहीं दिल कहीं बिल्डिंग कहीं ट्रामे कहीं मोटर कहीं मिलता है यह सब कुछ एक मिलता नहीं दिल इंसान का नहीं कहीं नामो निशान ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के यह बॉम्बे मेरी जान कहीं सट्टा कहीं पट्टा कहीं छोरी कहीं रेस कहीं डाका कहीं फाका कहीं ठोकर कहीं ठेस कहीं सट्टा कहीं पट्टा कहीं छोरी कहीं रेस कहीं डाका कहीं फाका कहीं ठोकर कहीं ठेस बेकारों के है कई काम यहाँ ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के यह बॉम्बे मेरी जान बेघर को आवारा यहाँ कहते हंस हंस खुद काटे गले सबके कहे इसको बिजनेस बेघर को आवारा यहाँ कहते हंस हंस खुद काटे गले सबके कहे इसको बिजनेस एक चीज के है कई नाम यहाँ ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान
Hi, I'm Alfie, and "ए दिल है मुश्किल जीना यहाँ ज़रा हट के ज़रा बच के ये है बॉम्बे मेरी जान" is one of my favorite songs. It's actually a favorite for anybody who loves purane Hindi ke gaane. And this song is from the movie CID, and it shows a very young Johnny Walker walking across Bombay of the 50s. And Bombay in the 50s, just as it is today, if not more so, immediately conjures up this image of a crowded, bustling, constantly moving city. It's also the financial capital of India. So people are always busy and moving, and what you call these days, people are always hustling. And so Johnny Walker's having this conversation with people, a Tonga driver, a child on the streets, and they don't even have time to respond to what he's telling them about how crazy Bombay is. So it sort of points to a place of loneliness because even the humans are like machines. Everything is mechanized. And it can make one feel very disoriented and very confused. So, this modernity, this madness, sort of can be very overwhelming for anybody. But Johnny Walker sort of takes it in his stride. He takes it head on. And he's very happy and peppy about what he has to say about Bombay. It also is a milieu which throws up its own kinds of moral double standards. So the very people who are building this city, the big businessmen, the big entrepreneurs, are setting up the moral standards of merit and work and what hard work can do for you. So, keep hustling. But it's the very structures that these people create that also oppresses others and has, a cutthroat set of consequences for these people who are caught in the underbelly of this big modern city. So it's a very, it's a song set in the 50s, but in many ways it's relevant today. And you know, it's a very don't say I didn't warn you kind of a song. So on days when you feel overwhelmed and you feel like nothing in the world is making sense anymore, and you feel helpless and lonely and confused, um, this song can make you feel like you're not the only one who's doing it for the first time. That even if you're all alone in the hustle of your life, there is somebody else who has been there and who has done it before. And these are the things that he has to say to warn you about the madness. But at the same time, um, you know, you've got to do it with a smile on your face. You've got to do it with um, a kind of upbeat attitude about conquering the city in whichever small way you can, in whichever um, little pocket that you can find your joy and happiness. There is a sense in which you can make the world yours, even if it is very alien sometimes on some days. So thank you. Bye. Sending you lots of love.